It's good, this fan. I know you probably wondering what I'm doing with this Hawaiian punch, but we're gonna pour it out. This Hawaiian punch is full of fructose and corn syrup. What if I told you I had a recipe with 4 simple ingredients where you can make your own hot tea and still enjoy the sweetness? So that's what we're gonna do today. Those 4 simple ingredients include 6 pears, 1 small or large pineapple, 1 key lime, and then we got a case of strawberries. What's juice without the key? Let's get it.